Imagine uploading hundreds of PDFs into an AI system and asking, "What does our refund policy say about damaged products?" Within seconds, the AI finds the correct section and gives you a clear answer. But the language model did not memorize all those documents. It searched for the right information when you asked the question. This process is called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. To understand how RAG works, you also need to understand embeddings and vector databases. A large language model knows a lot from its original training, but it does not automatically know your private company data, latest policies, internal documents, product manuals, or recently created files. You could paste this information directly into the prompt. This works when the amount of text is small, but with hundreds of documents or thousands of pages, it becomes slow, expensive, and impractical. Most of the information would not even be relevant to the question. RAG solves this by retrieving only the most relevant information and giving it to the language model. The process begins by dividing documents into smaller sections called chunks. For example, a long company handbook might be split into paragraphs or short sections. When someone asks about refunds, the system only needs the refund-related chunks, not the entire handbook. Next, each chunk is sent to an embedding model. An embedding model converts text into a list of numbers called a vector. These numbers represent the meaning of the text. Text with similar meanings receives vectors that are positioned close together. For example, dog, puppy, and pet would generally be closer together than dog and database. The exact words do not need to match. Meaning is what matters. Suppose a document says, "Customers may return defective products within 30 days." A user asks, "How long do I have to send back a broken item?" A keyword search may struggle because the document says defective products, while the question says broken item. An embedding-based search understands that both phrases have a similar meaning. The vectors created from the document chunks are stored in a vector database. A vector database is designed to quickly find information with similar meanings. When the user asks a question, the question is also converted into a vector. The database compares it with the stored vectors and returns the chunks that are closest in meaning. The system then combines those chunks with the original question and sends everything to the language model. The model reads the retrieved information and generates a natural language answer. That is the complete RAG pipeline. Documents are divided into chunks. The chunks are converted into embeddings. The embeddings are stored in a vector database. The user's question is also converted into an embedding. The database retrieves the most relevant chunks. The language model uses those chunks to generate an answer. RAG has several important advantages. First, the information can stay current. When a policy changes, you update the document instead of retraining the entire model. Second, the model can answer questions using private or specialized data, such as internal policies, support documents, technical manuals, or product information. Third, RAG can reduce hallucinations because the model receives relevant source material instead of relying only on its training. However, RAG does not guarantee perfect answers. If the system retrieves the wrong chunks, the answer may be incorrect. Outdated documents, poor chunking, or missing context can also affect the result. That is why good RAG systems often include citations or links to the original sources, allowing users to verify the answer. RAG is also different from fine-tuning. Fine-tuning changes how a model behaves. It can teach the model a particular style, format, vocabulary, or task. RAG gives the model access to external information when a question is asked. A simple way to remember the difference is, fine-tuning changes the model. RAG changes the information available to the model. So when an AI assistant answers questions from hundreds of PDFs, it is not reading every document from beginning to end. It converts text into embeddings, uses a vector database to find the most relevant sections, and gives those sections to the language model. RAG retrieves the knowledge. Embeddings represent the meaning. The vector database finds what is relevant, and the language model turns it into an answer you can understand.